What's going on, you son of a guns? It's Diamond Twins. They did another video. My name is Yasser.
Amar.
This video will consist of the best $1,300 you could spend to build a gaming PC. It doesn't really have to be gaming. It could be really anything, but this is like top-notch specs, like what you could buy on the market today for the price you're getting it at. $1,300, can't beat it. So we're gonna show screenshots of price points today. My brother is going to show you guys them in a bit, and then we're going to end the video by showing you guys turning on the PC and showing FPS like benchmarks and whatnot. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Drop a like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and turn on notifications, and hope you guys enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? So the case we went with is a Zalman Z9 Neo. Plus this is probably the best looking case, has that mirror glass finish. And it comes with 5 fans inside of it and a whole bunch of extra pluses. You guys just go search it on YouTube and see what it comes with and whatnot. But it's really good. The price point is $80. Next on the list is you need RAM sticks. RAM sticks, we want the 2 8GB Vengeance LPX. They're pretty good RAM sticks, and those were running for about $78. The best time to build a PC is now. I recommend it because, like, dude, you would not get a better price than these RAM sticks. They used to run for like $180.
AKA everything's going for the lows.
So $78 for those RAM sticks. Moving on. So SD card, we dropped a 240 GB XPG 3D Nano stick. This is what your Windows 10 is gonna run. So your computer could boot up fast and have all that efficient speed, you know. So next on our list is the processor. The processor we went with is an i7 core processor, 9700. This is like the top-notch kind of processor you could get for its price, and best one for its price. That's running for around $330. Next on the list is a graphics card. The graphics card we went with is a Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 twin fan, 6 GB. I mean, it's not that bad of a freaking graphics card. I mean, it runs like top-notch specs for the FPS you're going to be getting. So it's pretty damn great. I'm gonna show some gameplay of like Fortnite because that's what everybody's playing these days, and show the FPS on that in the end of this video. So that was running for around $350. I feel like the graphics card and the i7 processor are the most expensive things probably on this PC build.
We went with the 2060 instead of the 2070.
Because the 2070 is like $140 extra for a couple more FPS, so screw it.
Next thing up.
So next we have a power supply. This is what's gonna power all your...
Bad bitch. We're running all the porn, all the, nonsense. 1,000 watts.
We went with such a big power supply, you really don't need that much to run a computer. But the reason we ran into something like this, because in case you want to do any modifications in the future.
Ignore the porn part.
So, in case you want to do any modifications in the future, this thing will freaking handle more than enough on what you need.
Just to save you time in the future, future reference.
So, 2 things that are included in the video, because I don't freaking have the boxes for it, is the cooler fan that's going to cool down your processor, which is the Cooler Master Hyper 2012 Evo. As you can see from the screenshot, it runs for $30, and all the links for all these things are going to be in the description. And the next one, but not least, is your motherboard. The motherboard that we went with is a Asus Prime Z390. It's a great motherboard. It has a whole bunch of LEDs, but it runs very effectively. It's clean. It ran for $183. So all in all, drop that, throw that shit away. We're gonna show you guys all that combined PC. Brother, put it on the table. That's my PC. You break, I'll break their head. This is the motherload. All these cuts. So now let's get inside of here and show you guys what's under the cover. What's under the skirt. Case. This is how the case is gonna look. It has 5 fans, so you can just unplug that by taking off these 4 screws. 1 fan, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These come with the case itself. I have LEDs in here. I did not drop that in the description because it's kind of, it's something that I wanted. So the case, I mean, it has 4 USB ports right over here. It has your aux and your microphone over here. If you go out, you can put like your
more, you know, if you want a CD player or something, but you got like a lot of airflow going through here.
So this is not really a PC build because we already freaking built the damn PC, but it's just showing you guys the best products you could buy for the best price point. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where they go in case, I mean, you guys could just search up a YouTube video, but the graphics card is right here. I'm gonna show you guys how all the lighting looks. Graphics card goes right there. You got an SD card that goes right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. To cool down the i7 processor. The i7 processor is right behind there, right over there. You got your 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's 8, and that's 8. And the rest is really plug and play. You have your power supply right over here. Turn it up. What's going on, guys? So we talked about parts. We talked about where you guys can purchase them from. I already charged PC Part Picker and all that bullshit, all these other websites, but Amazon turns out to be the cheapest and the fastest way to actually get them. So we're gonna end the video here. All the links would be in the description of where you can purchase them, so it can be easy click and play. Showed you guys the FPS of how fast, I mean, the specs on it and whatnot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any problems, comment down below. It's Diamond Twins. Subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah.
100 times.
What is
going on, guys?
dude?
The camera almost
Fucking
flipped.
gosh, we need these intro like 1,000 times. The fuck? What's going on, y'all?
It's your boy Mark.
Back out of another video.
What do you mean? Say your name.
What is going on, guys? So hope you guys enjoyed that PC